Hello, so I'm just here rebuilding the back of the Hyper ST. As you can see, it's in many pieces. I was putting a new wing mount on, but I ended up rebuilding all of the shocks and the rear differential and stuff like that. So I was just checking the bearings on the wheels. I'm going to show you the difference quickly between some good bearings and some bad bearings. You'll be able to see pretty easily. So here's the bad one. Stopped already. You can hear it squeaking a little bit. And this is the good one. So it's still going. You can see how much more difficult must it be for the motor to be turning this squeaky old bearing when it's doing like 40 mile an hour compared to some decent bearings. So obviously I'm going to have to replace the bearings in this wheel shortly. That is all for now. Goodbye.